Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is fascinated. It is pronounced fascinated and spelt Fascinated. Think fas and then sin with a C, the letter A, and then TED. Being fascinated means to be deeply interested and absorbed in something, to be captivated by it. It's a feeling of intense curiosity and intrigue. For example, you could say he was fascinated by science, or the children were fascinated by the magic show. The word fascinated comes from the Latin word fascinare, which means to bewitch or to cast a spell. Today, it means being captivated by something and interested more so than something to do with magic, as its former definition was. In the film Tangled, Rapunzel is fascinated by the floating lanterns, which fly past her window every year on her birthday. She doesn't understand them and cannot stop thinking about them, wondering what they are and where they came from. She is absolutely fascinated by them, and this fascination eventually leads her to actually leave the tower and to find out for herself. Synonyms for fascinated are captivated, absorbed, intrigued, and mesmerized. Antonyms for fascinated are disinterested, bored, and unengaged. Impress your family and friends by using your new word today. Fascinated. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.